One picture, Sagar. Leave your phone. Ready, 3, 2. Sagar, phones are not allowed. Give me the phone.
I won't use.
No,
I
you
won't
can't.
Use. I really won't use.
Then give me.
It's kept there.
Then give me. Rubbish. She's talking in the class. She's very talkative. She's very talkative. Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Minal Raj, aka The Crazy Daisy. And on today's video, we're doing a fun challenge between the great Mother India. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Minal's mom, as everybody knows.
The next contestant is the great Mr. Sagar Bhatt, who is the husband.
I am Minal's husband.
So the competition is between mom and the husband. So the challenge is about who knows me better, whether is it the mom or the husband. So who do you think knows me better, Ma? Do you have any words?
Me, I don't think so. We will see. The question.
The mother knows me for the past 31 years. She has given me birth. And Sagar knows me for the past
3 years.
10 years. 3 years of marriage.
10 years, 3 years of marriage. He will be knowing you better rather than as your boyfriend.
Correct.
I know you from A to Z. Not completely. Maybe some of your secrets I may not be knowing.
Do you think you know me better than my mom?
Auntie is the OG. I can't compete.
But you
But
can.
I will try my best.
You're going to try your best. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with very basic questions. The first question: what is my height and what is my weight? Who wants to go first?
Minal is 5'3" and her weight is 48.
Sagar.
You're 5'3" and weight is 45, I think.
Both of y'all have got my height wrong.
5'2".
Yeah.
So I just wanted to make you high so that you look taller. So I just mentioned 5'3". Otherwise, I know you are 5'2" only.
Correct.
Yeah, both of us told with heels height.
Okay. And do you guys want one more chance with, I think, Mummy, you want one more chance to guess my weight?
You are normally at the 40s only. 40, 42, 38, 40.
38, 40. What my waist size? Oh.
No, your weight is 40 plus. That's all.
Okay, so my height is 5'2" and my weight is 45 to 46 kgs.
Now you put on 46.
Yeah. 45, you said 48.
First, okay. Anyway,
So both of y'all get a point because she guessed correct height and you guessed correct weight. So 1 point each. Next question. What, according to you, is my worst habit?
in the beginning, during a childhood day,
Don't tell waking up late.
then what else? Now present.
Present, you can.
Habit is yelling at the elders. She's a habit of getting high temperature and raising a tone that makes her very worst
My temper.
temper.
Okay. So,
I also have a long list. You're impatient. You have like zero patience, especially when it comes to your mom and me. Everyone else, you're very patient.
this is not a roast, I'm telling you.
It is going to end up like one.
I shall give the point to mother because that is definitely my worst habit and I'm trying to work on it. As I improve, let me tell you, as I try to improve, she triggers me. She says all the things that will piss me off.
No. She doesn't trigger. You get triggered.
Oh, please.
Very right point.
Okay, but I shall work on it. Next question. What do you think makes me angry the most? Or who makes me angry? Okay, I'll ask Sagar first.
Me. I make you angry.
True in a way.
So anger unnecessarily you won't get tempered.
Correct.
But maybe forcing you to eat or telling you the same dialogue, don't do this, don't do that, repeating those
Repeating the same, yes, correct.
don't eat that, come late, don't come late, or get up early. No, I don't think so. Nowadays, I don't think so. She get angry frequently.
I have improved, right?
Yeah, she has improved. 50% yesterday she fought for what? I don't think so.
Because of the food that you ordered food.
Yeah, you told us to order food and then after we ordered, you're screaming.
Unnecessary reason she gets tempered. I don't know. Unnecessary. There is no cause for that.
ਡੱਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੋੜਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰ ਤੇਰਾ
There is no cause.
Guys,
It's very difficult to judge her sometimes.
we asked her if we can order food. She said, yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Once the parcel came, she's screaming at us. So who won't get angry? I took your permission only and I ordered.
The whole point is why you get angry.
Sagar, the answer what you said is correct, but it's not just you. There are certain qualities. Do you want to improvise on your answer?
All of this, whatever your mom said, it's the same thing.
You're like giving same answers.
Because
What?
it's the same thing about you.
It is what you are me now.
How to give different answers?
Okay, 1 point
He has seen you
each.
from the past 10 years. I have seen you from the past 31 years.
Okay, what am I scared of?
Snake. Snake.
Correct. Next.
Hey, of course.
Can't tell the same
What do you
answer.
mean?
She guessed it
Already I
correct.
have told your point. So
Yeah.
You can tell something else. It's not the only thing that I'm scared of.
Reptiles.
I'm not. Points to Mame. Okay, going forward, whoever
No,
tells
don't.
the answer first. No chance. Yaar first ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ they win. Okay. Next question. What is my favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Mama,
chocolate ice cream
one more is there favorite. You want to guess?
with the nuts.
Something that you also like.
Vanilla with
Yes.
the chocobar.
Yes.
Vanilla with the chocolate flavor.
Syrup, yeah. Points to Sagar. What is my dream travel destination? Where do I want to go?
Greece.
Greece, I wanted to, but not anymore. Do you know?
Switzerland.
Not even on the list. One more, you all want to try?
Canada.
Entanamma, Canada. My sister is in Canada. That's why. Have you think about what have I told? Where I want to go?
Where there is snow.
I will give you a clue. We have a lot of relatives living
US.
there. Yes.
You and your daughter.
Yeah, it was never your dream. What
was
was
not.
this?
Currently, I want to go to US.
That is not your dream. If you want to go to US,
So, what is my dream?
your dream destination is Greece.
Yeah, now I don't feel like going to Greece, but 0 points. Nobody guessed correct.
Who knows about her dreams?
You are
It is
supposed to know.
hidden in her heart.
Next, when I was a kid, what did I want to be when I grow up?
She wanted to be a designer, no, interior designer.
My dad just cramped the answer.
What he said?
Housewife.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
My dad gets 1 point, but apart from housewife, I had one more dream inspired by somebody in the family.
I told you model.
No.
Because of Hamsi auntie.
Not model.
Oh, she wanted to be on the billboard. Architect. Interior drawing. You wanted to be a painter.
Ma, I wanted to be a fashion designer.
You wanted to be a fashion designer. Like a mom, she wanted to
Yeah.
be a fashion designer.
Yeah, I used to design clothes, draw. I used to come to your shop and learn things. 0 points. Both of them don't know. My father guessed correct from behind. Dad, you are more than welcome to give answer.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested, yaar.
Next question. Do I like to stay at home or do I like to go out?
Stay at home.
She wants to roam around in the night.
मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता।
She's a night freak.
I'm a night owl.
Owl, okay.
Sagar.
You stay at home.
Stay at home. Now, maybe now.
Now only, ma. I'm talking about current. I'm not talking about when I was small. So you are changing your answer to staying at home?
Why you want to stay at home? Do something on your own. Achieve success.
Mummy, the question is, do I like to stay at home or do I like to go out?
Earlier, she had no intention to stay at home. Whole day she was, I'm sitting at home, I'm sitting at home.
Correct. Earlier that was me.
She's all the day out for shooting. Maybe she want to be at home relaxing mode.
Correct answer, but Sagar got it. So let's give him the point.
Because he's seeing you working whole day, maybe you want to relax. Even I want to relax for at least 1 week.
Wait, what do you think? Does my mom like to stay at home or go out?
Your mom wants to go to a different place and then go out there.
Relax.
She likes to
Holiday mood.
Don't want to be here.
She likes to go out all the time. She loves to get ready. She loves to be fully decked up and take pictures. She will wear all the jewelry in the house and she will go for photo shoot.
I don't want to be at home whole day cooking and in the kitchen.
Few more questions. Do I like to get decked up all the time or do I like to be in comfortable clothes?
Presently, she wants to be in a simple dress, without any makeup.
Comfortable clothes.
Comfortable.
I told that initially only. Comfortable clothes.
Yeah, so
Wants to be simple.
I like to be in my most comfortable clothes because most of the time when I have to go to shoot, I have to be fully decked up and all I want to do is come home and take off all my makeup and just be relaxed. So the answer is comfortable clothes and you both get it right. So points are Mama, you gotta be faster. You're the mother, you're supposed to know me better. This question you will know. So please think properly. What is my favorite dish or what is my comfort food? What is my favorite dish? What will I love to eat?
Curd rice with some delicious gravy.
Let's see if you got a better answer, bro.
Prawn curry. But your mom only. Yeah.
What?
It's okay. That point goes to your
You missed. Correct. See, fried rice, guys. Come on. Saga, if you would have said fried rice, it would be equal. Mummy gets the point. Curd rice is my absolute favorite with anything. Sagar hates curd. So, good one, mom. This is quite a tricky question. So, which subject in school did I like the most?
art.
Drawing.
Yeah.
I don't know art.
Yes, crafts, art and crafts was my favorite subject. This is not part of the thing, but very obvious.
Math.
What do you... Which subject did I hate the most?
Mathematics.
Yeah, it used to never enter my brains. So, still doesn't, yeah. Wow, both of you all, mother and husband. Next question. When I was in school, did I ever get into any trouble? And if yes, what for?
She was very naughty child in the school. Unnecessarily, she used to create problems. The teacher used to complain.
Yeah, but what was the reason? What was I doing?
Maybe behind the screen, maybe naughtiness and all. I didn't come to the school, no.
Correct. You never came
Not,
on.
what you are doing, you will be knowing.
You're also, you didn't know, but for what I was in trouble for?
Maybe, I don't know.
Every time you used to get call, but for what was it? Think.
Mischiefs.
Mischief, what mischief? Taking phone. I never had phone till I was in degree.
There was no phone.
You want to guess?
Yeah, like troubling your friends, trying.
Probably my friend.
Yeah, or bullying some people.
Sagar, what? Yeah, so I did get into trouble. Nobody's telling for what reason. But do you remember any funny episode? Something happened one day, something like that.
Maybe I have forgotten me now.
Do you remember one day they suspended me in high school?
Yeah, why?
For getting
what?
what?
Is the reason? Something you have done.
I got a slam book to school. Slam book andre adu autograph. When we leave 10th standard, we will write no. For that they suspended me. Do you think it's a good reason to suspend that kid?
अरे बाप रे ये तो धोती खोल रहा है
She remembers so many things, all that.
Yeah, because it was traumatic. Everybody gets a slam book to school and I got suspended for it. It made no sense. Let's see if daddy remembers. Daddy, come here. It's just a question. Did I get into any trouble in school? If yes, what for? Daddy also doesn't remember.
टूटे मकान एक बार गिर गए वैसे बनते कहाँ हैं
Okay, so no points for anybody. We're down to the last 4 questions, guys. Okay, what were the names of my best friends in school? Who were my first best friends in school?
Atmika Shetty, Diksha Bandari, Deepthi Matthias,
Diksha Bandari, Deepthi Matthias, childhood friend.
Akshit Chauta.
They're not my school friends. I studied in an all girls school.
Okay, but I told you these 3 names.
So points for my mom.
I told
Because
all
you
three
said
names.
you said Akshit Chauta and all that is later.
That is later.
So you're wrong. Now I have to choose somebody.
कीजिएगा ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा सर आप गलत कर रहे हैं सर
He never mentioned, no.
I mentioned it on video. I mentioned all 3 names.
But you got something. You got 2 answers wrong in this. So we'll give the point. to
Chauta
mommy.
and all in the college days.
Yeah. How? So he got wrong. No. So points to mummy. Okay. If I won the lottery, what do you think is the first thing I would buy? If I won,
Bungalow.
I will buy a bungalow.
We will plan a big holiday and go on that.
Lottery. What is the amount of the lottery?
Okay. Say if I won 10 crores.
Definitely you need a flat. Definitely she need a flat.
So I'll buy a house, you're saying, in Bangalore. And you?
I told you, go on a crazy vacation.
I think I would buy a house. Yeah, if I got 10.
No, 10 crores you'll buy a house.
Yeah.
Full 10 crores you'll buy a house.
In Bangalore, if you have to buy an apartment, you need
10 crores.
More than 6 plus only.
Yeah. Then what do you think? No, explain your logic. You can.
Nothing.
Something and all
Your
is saying.
husband now.
Question now is exactly the same thing what we are talking. Who will win an argument with me? Is it mummy or is it Sagar?
Nobody.
Nobody can win her with her arguments.
She will not give a chance for people to win.
She will keep on arguing messages, and there is no end. Finally, we have to block her.
Yeah, who will win an argument with me in the family?
Argument, me, I can win her.
Somebody else is there who nobody can argue with.
Charishma, sister.
Yes, my
Keep her
sister.
mouth shut.
Who?
With Charishma,
I will keep my mouth shut.
Yes.
Yeah.
She will keep her mouth shut. She cannot argue with her, nor she can fight her.
My dad never argues.
Okay, but you will not talk in front of your dad.
So, points to who? But you didn't give the answer. I asked who will win an argument. The answer is my sister. Sagar doesn't want to lose.
There were no
I think with Ritesh also, she will not
Never.
argue.
Yeah.
She'll put an end.
Yeah. See, now she has double. She gets the point. Last question, guys. What is my worst habit?
Yeah, she overthinks.
Anything worst? She's not a worst girl. What is her worst habit?
Think. You can take your time.
Her worst habit, what I have studied her, she controls her food. She doesn't take food, she takes a lot of intervals. Like morning breakfast, 11 o'clock means till 2 o'clock she doesn't eat anything. Maybe that I feel is a bad habit. For that reason she is not able to put on weight or something like that. Lot of interval between her food habits.
The answer I was looking for was poor decision making. I can't take decisions. But what both of y'all said is equal.
No, one more bad habit I have observed her. She cannot handle the maids. That is her bad habit. She cannot handle the maid. She cannot give work to the maids. She always tells Saga, please talk to the maid. So that is her bad habit. She has to come forward and bold enough in front of the maids. She has to run the house. She has to be bold enough. That is not possible. And in front of anybody who comes, she cannot say no to them.
Editor, after knowing her weakness,
Yeah.
That is her weakness.
Yes.
She cannot say no to anybody. That is the weakness. It is with her and it is with her dad also.
Correct. Good one.
But they can only tell no to you and me, auntie.
Yes, definitely. No.
Only with people who I'm comfortable
I
with.
don't think so. She is telling me also no.
That is something that I want to work on this year, to try to say no and not to feel too much papa punya for people and go and help everybody.
Papa Punya. She has to be matured enough that as then when she grow up, she'll definitely learn how to handle everybody. Now
Correct.
That is her age.
Yeah, and learn to listen to husband also and mother.
respect her husband, all that she will
Do you think I should listen to mother or I should listen to husband?
What listen?
Who's
Listen to the husband, what you want. Listen to the mother. Give respect to the mother.
But do you think sometimes you're little partial, you're supporting Sagar more than your daughter?
No. I don't have that thing. The partiality I don't have. Whatever the bad habits, I will tell directly.
She always supports him. Now I've lost my importance in the
I am
house.
supporting him. I don't think so.
The one when we came first day, what you made? You made Sagar's favorite. You cooked.
No,
Hey, it's a long time I cook mutton for him, so I thought this time I'll make him mutton gravy.
That's what you
Every
think.
time I used to cook for him carne, so this time I thought I'll cook mutton.
Nobody's thinking of my favorites.
ये इमोशनल ड्रामा
Your favorite food is prawns are prepared already on the first day, Minal. Then what else you want?
curd rice.
Curd rice was missing. But anyways, the clear winner of the contest is the mother. Clap, clap, clap. Clearly, moms know you better than any husband, boyfriend, anybody. Mother is always right.
At present, I know you better because you lived with me for 31 years. In future, you will be living with your husband for 50 years. So more than me, he will be knowing you better because mom doesn't know you those periods.
But whatever happens at home, first we are calling mother only and telling.
My mother doesn't know my qualities at all. So gradually, Sagar will know you better, what you want, what you hate, what you dislike. So I will not be knowing.
Okay.
Your taste also, your parties, your events, your dress.
Do you know what is my favorite color?
Your favorite color? Nude shades. Then
That is Cherish Mama.
your favorite color is red.
Not at all.
Your pastel shades.
Not at all.
Then which is your favorite color? Black.
Black and turquoise also she likes.
Turquoise and pink.
Pink is your favorite.
And
Okay,
turquoise.
you lost your pink sari.
Yeah. Because of her. Wow. She bought me a new sari. So, okay. You're forgiven. Any last words, any final words about anything?
Just listen to your mother-in-law, mother and daughter. Sorry, and wife.
Which you don't do.
Trying to.
Learning. Improvement is there slightly. What do you think? Sagar, from 2024 to 2025, any improvements?
Yeah. Both of you are now a little bit settled in your marriage life, and I pray for you all a better married life in future. That is my blessing
Thank
for
you.
New Year.
Yours faithfully, Minal. Kiran Venu.
Yes.
Okay, that's it, guys. That was the final video. Make sure you've subscribed to my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, Crazy Daisy. Thank you. Thanks.